Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
Hello everyone. In this video, I will explain how to remove a Mercedes center console, step by step. Before you begin, always ensure your vehicle's battery is disconnected for safety, preventing any accidental electrical shorts. You will need a few key tools, including plastic trim removal tools to avoid scratching surfaces and various Torx screwdrivers. Start by gently removing any small covers or coin holders, as these often conceal initial screws. Next, focus on the shifter area. You'll need to remove the shift knob itself, often by twisting a collar or pulling it straight up. Then, use your plastic trim tools to gently pry up the surrounding decorative trim panels. These are usually held by clips. As you lift each piece, carefully disconnect any electrical connectors, such as those for the climate controls or infotainment system, ensuring you remember their locations. Now it's time to unfasten the main console. Look for Torx screws, typically sizes like Torx 20, 30, or 40, which secure the console sections. These are often found in compartments under rubber mats or along the console's edges. Some parts of the console are held by clips, requiring gentle but firm prying with your trim tools. Take your time to avoid damaging any plastic components or wiring harnesses. With all fasteners removed, you can now carefully lift the entire center console assembly. Be mindful of any remaining electrical connectors that might still be attached underneath. Disconnect these before fully extracting the console. Once all wires are free, gently guide the console out of the vehicle. Remember, reinstallation is simply the reverse of these steps, so ensure every connection is secure and all trim pieces snap back into place.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.